Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I'm here with 2024 31 Day Smashbook Challenge. We are on day 23 and it's music. And one of my favorite things is 80s. So here we go. 80s, 90s. So I just went on Google and found some of my favorite bands. Like Night Rangers is my number one. Bon Jovi, Poison, Warrant, Prince, Purple Rain, Def Leppard, Skid Row. So I could go on and on. I mean, if you go back here, you can tell I like going to concerts and you can tell I like bands. So that's my music. I do like the music with the raindrops and thunder, those two. But there we go. I will see you on day 24. Yep, right? Yep, day 24. Yeah, it's right there, Tina. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.